Traditionally, companies have been limited to the talent they could find in their local area. But in a networked world, there's a wealth of talent beyond commuting distance. People looking for opportunities and flexibility beyond the limits of their geography. But how do you find that perfect person for your job? How can you collaborate from half a world away? And how can you pay people anywhere in the world? There are many challenges, but one solution makes remote working relationships simple and safe. Odesk. The Odesk marketplace is home to hundreds of thousands of service providers. Finding the one you need and trust is easy. You can review verified work histories, portfolios, and performance on dozens of skills tests. And you can read feedback given by previous buyers like you. It's all right there in the Odesk provider profiles. Our service providers set their rates based on their skills and reputation, and anyone buying services can select the right combination of cost, efficiency, and experience. With traditional marketplaces, hiring isn't the only problem. Your standard marketplace offers no visibility. You're just throwing a project over the wall and waiting to get something back, and hoping it's sorta like what you asked for. In offices, most work is long-term, transparent, and paid based on the time worked, which is why we've created the Odesk Team Room. It lets buyers easily see how their providers are doing, so that managing a worldwide work team is as easy as having everyone at the office. The built-in work diary delivers full transparency and accountability from anyone working for you. It's a way to check in and make sure that a job doesn't go off track, and it's a guarantee that an hour billed is an hour that was worked. And for the service provider, the work diary offers peace of mind and a clear record of time worked, guaranteeing that an hour worked is an hour paid. While all this work is going on, Odesk automates the payment process. Providers don't have to keep time logs, write up invoices, and then pester the buyer to pay up months later. And for the buyer, payments, tax issues, and other paperwork are all taken care of automatically. Every week, the provider is paid in any of several convenient ways. With Odesk, work teams can collaborate as closely as though everyone's in the same office. Hiring, managing, and paying are all transparent and easy. Service providers can live where they like and work on the jobs they want. Buyers can quickly scale up and down as workloads demand, finding the best talent at competitive rates. The world may be shrinking, but the possibilities are expanding. Odesk, changing how the world works.